Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by choosing the right gear for maximum distance casting today. Use a 9 to 10 foot rod rated for medium heavy power to increase leverage. Pair that rod with a low-profile bait casting reel for controlled spool release. Spool the reel with 12 lb fluorocarbon or 20 lb braid for strength and lower wind resistance. Select lures in the 1/2 to 1 Oz range to keep momentum through the cast. Balance rod, reel, line, and lure to avoid tailing loops and improve accuracy. Focus on technique and body mechanics for the only reliable long cast. Start the cast by accelerating slowly to load the rod blank evenly. Snap the rod to a firm stop while keeping the elbow slightly bent for control. Rotate your hips and shoulders to add powerful torque without sacrificing accuracy. Fully extend your arm on follow-through to transfer energy to the lure. Release your thumb at the apex, aiming for a 30 to 45 degree launch angle to maximize carry. Master wind, timing, and line management to consistently reach long distances. Ideally cast into a moderate tailwind around 10 to 15 mph to gain extra carry. Position your body so the wind meets the lure behind the release point. Clear 3 to 4 cranks of line before casting to prevent spool backlash and reduce slack. Practice timing drills with 3-second pauses between loads to synchronize acceleration and release. Repeat controlled reps focusing on smooth acceleration, clean thumb release, and consistent follow-through for lasting improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.